Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Vela Visatara with NPM 2441214 from Accounting Class 24A. Today I will present a topic about job order costing. This topic is part of cost accounting that explain how a company calculate production cost for its order received from customers. By understanding this method, a company can know how much cost is needed to complete a specific order. First, let us discuss the definition of job order costing. Job order costing is a method used to determine the production cost of a specific order. In this method, each order is calculated separately so the company can know the total cost required to complete that order. This method is commonly used by companies that produce goods based on customer requests. In other words, products are not produced in large quantities but are made according to the order received. Example of business that use this method include printing companies, construction companies, and furniture industries. In calculating job order costing, there are three main cost elements. The first is direct material cost, which is the cost of the main material used to produce a product. The second is direct labor cost, which is the wage paid to workers who are directly involved in the production process. The third is factory overhead cost, which includes other production costs besides materials and labor. Example are electricity costs, machine maintenance, and equipment depreciation. These three elements are added together to determine the total production cost of an order. To make it easier to understand, let us look at the simple example. Suppose a printing company receives an order to produce 500 invitation cards. During the production process, the company spent several costs. The direct material cost is 2 million rupiah. The direct labor cost is 1,500,000 rupiah. The factory overhead cost is 1 million rupiah. To calculate the total production cost, all these costs added together. So, the total production cost is 2 million rupiah plus 1,500,000 rupiah plus 1 million rupiah, which is equals 4,500,000 rupiah. After we know the total production cost, the next step is to calculate the cost per unit. The cost per unit can be calculated by dividing the total production cost by the number of product produced. In the example, the total production cost is 4,500,000 rupiah, and the number of invitation product is 500 units. So, the result is 9,000 rupiah per unit. This means the cost needed to produce one invitation card is 9,000 rupiah. In conclusion, job order costing is a method used to calculate production cost based on specific orders. This method includes three main elements: direct materials, direct labor, and factory overhead costs. By using job order costing, companies can clearly determine how much cost is spent for each order that received. This information is important for determining the selling price and controlling production costs. Okay guys, thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.